Hey everybody, this is Dean DeCosta. We're talking a new tool. It's called Rockstar Finder. Now it's got paid, it's got free. I'm doing free. So this is interesting. You can spatially search LinkedIn, Google Plus, Zing, Twitter, resumes, the web in general, Meetup, and Facebook. All goodness. Come down here, you got additional options, which is just general searches, profiles with emails, that kind of stuff. So we're going to see what it does. We already got the US. We're going to pick a city and state. So we're going to pick, I'm actually going to come down here and just go to Seattle. I assume it's here. Yay. Then we're going to do some keywords. We're going to do Java. I love picking on Java. It's just my thing. And then we're gonna pick a title. Let's see what our titles are. I kind of want developer. We'll go with full stack developer. That's fine. And this is it. Now, the good, the bad, the ugly. We are searching LinkedIn. Let's see what we get. Search. And we got a pop-up block, so we're going to go ahead and allow the pop-up and done. And we're going to search again and we'll see what happens. It opens up a separate page, and I'm guessing, yes, it just did an X-ray search into LinkedIn. Okay, not great. A lot of tools do that, but okay, it did it. I mean, I can't complain. It's hard to complain. Let's see what happens if we do something a little sneaky, though. Let's see what happens if we add in the gmail.com to our thing in quotes, and let's see if that changes our search just a tad. I'm betting it does, and I bet we get people with emails. Yes. So that part works. Good. But again, okay, it's an X-ray search. It's a tool that allows you to X-ray search. A lot of tools do that. Let's see Google Plus. Now, Google Plus is interesting because Google Plus is hard to search. A lot of great people there, but it's really tough to search. So let's see. Let's see if we can get rid of some stuff. It's having a little problem here, so this is interesting. Let's clear the search. Interesting. A lot of stuff is being interesting here. Please enter at least one keyword. A lot of things are interesting. We've got keywords, but yet it's not giving us keywords. So let's try this. Let's go ahead and get back out to the beginning of the page. Now I'm in Chrome, and I get the feeling this tool may actually do better in non-Chrome browsers. So we're going to keep going here. We're going to restart the page, and then I'll re-log in, and we're going to see what happens now. We're already set. We're log in. And there we are. We're going to switch to Google Plus immediately. And then we're going to get back down to our Seattle, and we're going to get back into our Java and do that. Nothing clicked. Let's try that again. Java. Oops. Yes, this tool's got a few things it still needs to work out, it would appear. But let's keep going here. Let's go with a full stack developer. Everything else looks fine. Let's search and see what it does. Okay, so we're going to Google. It's obviously another X-ray. Obviously, I have to tell Google I'm not a robot. I don't know about you all, but this seems to happen a lot. And we just did a site search into what should be Google Plus, but I'll be honest with you, not seeing the results. The results look kind of lame. I guess so that part didn't work too well. So let's clear our search again if it'll let me. And it did. And let's go down to another site. Let's do, oh, Meetup. Meetup's always fun. Let's try Meetup. Now, interestingly enough, I went Meetup. It gave me basic. That's fine. Don't care. And we're not doing anything. So oh, it's not letting me do anything. How interesting. So let's do this. Let's go to guide, which has nothing there, which has nothing there. Let's go back to home and see if we can start the search all over again. The answer is no. So we're finding some problems with this tool right already. Some problems that are really quite interesting. And look, I can't do anything now. I can't even log out. So what we're going to do is we're going to get out of it. Come down here where I have Rockstar Finder. We're going to open it up again and start over. So we found a few problems already. In that you can't go from one search to the other really easily. And now we're going to go to Meetup and we're going to try this again. We're going to come back down to Seattle. We're going to type a word. We're going to put in the word Java and see what we get. And you notice how it didn't stay. That's interesting to me. And now I can't do anything. So let's just search. I can't do anything. Up, it's searched. So it's interesting. I'm basically doing Meetup and that's it. Okay, fine. There's 87. Okay, now oh, it did hit Java, even though it disappeared. It did get taken to Java. So there's some fluctuations in here, and we're going to test this out on a non Google browser. Okay, and we got a nice list. There are ways to get this list off. There's a way to enhance it. Not too worried about that. All right, so within the Chrome browser, that's what we're dealing with. Now let's see what happens if we take it outside the Chrome browser and see what happens. In this case, we're going to go through Edge, I believe it's called, and we'll sign in and we'll see what happens here. See if we have the same problems. It could be this tool is not really very well done for Chrome. especially the new version of Chrome that everybody should be using. So let's see what happens. We're going to go back to Meetup. We're going to get back down to Seattle. Keyword, we decided we're going to go with Java and Lucid. It disappeared anyway. So let's see if it works. Okay, no search happening. I guess I have to have a title. Okay, don't like their choices of titles, to be honest with you. Now let's see what happens. See, even in non-Google browsers, it's a bit of pain. Everything just kind of cramped up on me. So let's see if we go back, and let's go back here. Let's go back to LinkedIn. It could just be the meetup. Nope. So we got some problems, boys and girls. On the surface it looks like it has an opportunity. Oh, wait a minute. Let's do this. Maybe this is our problem. We're having here we go. We're having a problem where this thing just needs for whatever reason, needs a bunch of pop-ups, and I wasn't allowing the pop-ups. So let's see. If that's the case, let's do this. Let's do this search. This is the LinkedIn search. I still have to tell Google I'm not a robot, which is interesting as heck. Okay, so this worked. So now we're good here. So let's go ahead and clear search. It did that. Now let's go back down to Meetup. Okay, we're liking it. Let's go into Seattle. Nothing appeared. Now that's interesting. So let's go back to Java. Up, can't type anything. So basically, we are still having the same exact problems that others. It's literally impossible to do multiple searches. You have to get out and get back in. So here's the deal. It is what it is. It's basically an X-raying tool. That's really all it does. It's got some problems. It's got some potential. And that's about all I have. All there is to really say about the tool. I mean, it's an okay tool. Got some problems. I would use, if you're going to use it, use the free, but be prepared to go jumping back and forth between having to sign out and sign in every time you change searches. And that's really about all I have to say about it. It's got potential, but needs some work. This is Dean DaCosta. We were talking the Rockstar Finder.